Hello, Missy Reed here. I am an intuitive healer and guide. You may find me on Facebook at Missy Reed, or you may email me at missyreedcoaching@gmail.com. Welcome to this meditation. I'd like you to close your eyes or find a spot to gaze at. And then we'll take 2 complete breaths, in through the nose and then out through the mouth. So go ahead and inhale now. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Now you may continue to take deep breaths if that feels comfortable to you. And then when you're ready, bring your breath back to its natural and comfortable rhythm. Make sure that you're comfortable, either sitting or lying down, and uncross your legs and arms if they are crossed. Now, I'd like you to imagine the most beautifully wrapped gift that you have ever seen appearing in front of you. Tears spring to your eyes as you wonder who would have given you such a beautiful present. You admire the gorgeous paper and the beautiful ribbon. You imagine with wonder and awe what could possibly be inside. This is such a glorious gift. Your eyes shine like diamonds with gratitude and appreciation as you gaze upon the present. Your heart swells with the amount of love you can just feel emanating from inside the gift. Your stomach flutters with excitement. Your hands start to tremble with anticipation. You can just sense that the most magical and wonderful gift that you've ever received is inside this beautiful box. You finally can't stand the anticipation any longer. You just must open it so that you can immediately experience the wonders that are inside. You tear the ribbon, you rip apart the paper, and you open the box. A glint of light suddenly reflects into your eye. You lean forwards a bit more to get a better glimpse of what's inside. And to your astonishment, you see your own excited face gazing back in wonder. A bit of confusion then also crosses your face. And then the dawn of recognition appears across your reflected image as you realize with immense happiness that the gift is you. You smile and laugh and embrace yourself. You literally wrap your arms around your body. You realize that your life is the most precious, most valuable gift that you have ever received. Something has shifted deep inside of you. You can just feel it. You will never again take your body or your life for granted. You feel lighter and happier. You will begin now, today, to treat yourself just like the most expensive, precious treasure that you have ever received, because you know more deeply now than ever before that this is true. And you know it's true without a shadow of a doubt. You are so thankful for the reminder, and you express your deep appreciation and gratitude. You will never forget this experience. Now, take a deep breath in Exhale. One more time, making sure that you're exhaling completely. In through the nose, inhale. Exhale, breathe out. Now, I want you to begin to wiggle your toes and fingers. And when you open your eyes in just a moment, you are going to take this experience and the tremendous feelings of awe and love and wonder and excitement with you wherever you go, forever. When you're ready, go ahead, open your eyes. Let a smile cross your face. Let your lips upturn at the corners and gaze around you with new, fresh, bright eyes and even clearer understanding, appreciation, and love for yourself and others. Thank you so much for listening to my meditation. I would love to hear your thoughts about how this has changed your life, how it's influenced you, how you have felt afterwards. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for listening. Namaste.